Helo, Sarah Tiwdor ydw I, a fi yw cydlynydd Bagloriaeth Cymru. Hello, my name is Sarah Tiwdor and I am the Welsh Baccalaureate Coordinator. Dyma chydig o wybodaeth i chi am y Tystysgrif her Sgiliau. Fydd pob un ohonoch chi'n astudio'r cymwyster yma ym mlwyddyn 10 ac 11. So this is some information about the Skills Challenge Certificate, and you will all be studying this qualification in year 10 and 11. Beth ydi o? What is it? What is the Skills Challenge Certificate? Ffocws ganolog y Tystysgrif her Sgiliau yw i gyd-gynhyrhoi a datblygu sgiliau hanfodol a sgiliau chyflogadwyedd. So the central focus of the Skills Challenge Certificate is to develop essential skills and employability skills. A dyma'r sgiliau. Sgiliau llythrennedd, rhifedd, llythrennedd digidol, cynllunio a threfnu, meddwl feirniadol a datrys problemau, creadigedd ac arloesi ac effeithiolwyr personol. Mae'r sgiliau yma yn cael ei asesu drwy gwblhau 4 her gwahanol. So the skills that you develop are literacy skills, numeracy, digital literacy, planning and organisation, critical thinking and problem solving, creativity and innovation, and personal effectiveness. These skills are assessed by completing 4 components. Mae gan y 4 cydran bwysedd gwahanol. So the 4 components have different weighting. Mae prosiect unigol yn 50% o'r cwrs, yr her menter a chyflogadwyedd yn 20%, her dinasyddiaeth fyd-eang yn 15% a her y gymuned yn 15%. The individual project is 50% of the course, enterprise and employability is 20%, global citizenship 15%, and the community challenge 15%. Yr her menter. Dych chi'n datblygu sgiliau creadigol ac effeithiolrwydd personol drwy gweithio mewn tîm i ddatblygu cynnyrch neu gwasanaeth arloesol. Byddwch yn cyflwyno eich cynnyrch neu gwasanaeth i banel o bobl proffesiynol debyg iawn i Dragon's Den. You will develop and create an innovative product or service, developing your creative and personal effectiveness skills. You'll do this by working as part of a team. You'll present your ideas to a panel of professional people similar to Dragon's Den. Her dinasyddiaeth fyd-eang. Yn yr her yma, byddwch chi'n datblygu sgiliau meddwl yn feirniadol a datrys problemau, a creadigedd ac arloesi. Byddwch yn gwneud hyn drwy ymchwilio i fater byd-eang, datblygu barn a meddwl am syniadau i godi ymwybyddiaeth amdano. So you'll develop critical thinking and problem solving skills, as well as creativity and innovation. You will do this by researching into a global issue, developing opinions, and thinking of ideas to raise awareness of the issue. Her y gymuned. Byddwch yn datblygu sgiliau cynllunio a threfnu, effeithiolrwydd personol a llythrennedd digidol drwy gweithio mewn grŵp i gefnogi'r gymuned a gwirfoddoli. You will develop planning and organisational skills, personal effectiveness, and digital literacy skills by working as part of a group to support the community and, 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 Prosiect unigol. Mae ganddoch chi ddau opsiwn i unai ysgrifennu prosiect ysgrifenedig neu prosiect artiffakt sydd rhwng 1000 a 2000 o eiriau. Byddwch yn datblygu pob un o'r 7 sgil yn yr her yma, a mae'n pwysoli 50% o'r gymhwyster. In the individual project, you have 2 options, either a written project or an artifact. Both must be between 1,000 and 2,000 words in length. You will develop each of the 7 skills during this challenge, and it has a 50% weighting on the overall qualification. Asesu y tystysgrif her sgiliau. Assessing the Skills Challenge Certificate. Mae'r rhaid i chi lwyddo yn y 4 cydran mwyn cael y cymhwyster tygau. You must succeed in all 4 components in order to achieve the GCSE qualification. Mae pob cydran yn cael ei asesu yn pasio, teilyngdod neu anrhydedd, a fyddwch chi'n derbyn marc GMI am pob un. Ar ôl cwblhau pob un, mae'r marciau yn cael ei adio fe'i gilydd mwyn cael cyfanswm allan o 300 mwyn penderfynu ar y gradd. Each component is assessed using the terms pass, merit or distinction, and you will receive a UMS mark for each. After completing each component, the marks are added together to provide the total out of 300, which determines your grade. Be sy'n dda am y tystysgrif her sgiliau? Mae'r sgiliau a profiadau ydych chi'n ennill drwy astudio'r tystysgrif her sgiliau yn unigryw. Mae'n eich paratoi i'ch cam nesaf pe bai chweched dosbarth, coleg, gwaith a thu hwnt i hynny. The skills and experiences gained by studying the Skills Challenge Certificate are unique. It prepares you towards your next step, whether it be sixth form, college, employment, and beyond that.